Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're going to do a quick pour today with some paint I have left over from our last pour. I'm going to move that out of the way for a minute. This is a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. My colors today are Prussian Blue, Paynes Gray, Aged Bronze from Chroma Molten Metals. These two are Goldens. That's Chroma Molten Metals Aged Bronze. This is DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white, and then I've added a little bit of Golden's Irridescent Gold into there, just a tiny bit though. That's my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. This is Golden's Turquois, Phthalo, and this one is Golden's Teal. Okay, so let's layer our cup. What I think I want to do, I want to put down a base coat, and then I want to do like a ribbon pour across and then just spread it out a little bit so I do end up with negative space. So the question is do I want Paynes Gray negative space or do I want white negative space? What do you think? Would you rather see as the background? The Paynes? Okay, so we'll use our Paynes Gray as our negative space as our background color. So to that effect, I'm just going to put a little bit on the outside, a little bit on the bottom, and then we're probably not going to use that one again. Okay, so let's put in some of our Satin Enamels white gold color. Very pretty. It's kind of like a honey color. And then I'm going to use Prussian Blue. And I'm going to come in with some of the 24 karat gold. And then the turquoise. Such a beautiful color. You see how rich that is? Love it. And we're going to put in just a small amount of teal because this one seems to spread out and take over a lot. And then I'm going to use some of the aged bronze. And then we're going to go back to the Prussian blue, thicker layer. So that's going to, okay, I think I'm going to put some gold on it, and I think that's going to be it for that. Okay, so now let's take our Paynes Gray. I'm going to thin this out a little bit. I think I'm going to put a little tiny bit of Paynes Gray on the very top of that too. That's it. Okay. That was a lot of water. Okay, so if you pour too much water before you stir it, just go over to your trash can and pour a little bit of it out. Just very gently. And then you just stir up what's left. Do this. Let's do this. Okay. So we're going to start from here and go that way. All right. Back a little bit. it just like that. I love these cells that are coming up. Should we torch it? Let's torch it. So it's not bad, but I don't know, I'm not liking it very much. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more paint on top of it and we'll see what happens. I think maybe I want to do a ring pour. All right, let's do a wandering ring pour. Here we go. I already like that better. All right, I like that. Okay, so let's look at this for a second and go over it and try to figure out why I like it a lot better right off the bat. For one thing, I love the white with the turquoise in here. Really pretty with just that little bit of the Prussian blue behind it. I think before when I had the Paynes Gray and then there was a lot of dark on there, it was kind of, I don't know, there was too much gold. I kind of like this remnant from the other piece, and I didn't want to tilt over this because this is already starting to set up a little bit and dry, and if I had tried to go over it, it would have left a mark. It's just a dot right there. Okay, but this is very pretty. I love this like layering watercolor look that's going on all through here and over here, and there's these beautiful little gold cells popping up. They're really cool. I like the pour, the center. I love this part. This is cool. Very nice. I love this too. This like darker blue. Very cool. So this is actually the bit that was in the bottom of the cup before we started again. That had the Paynes Gray in it. That's cool. I like it better. So that's cool. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with me. You know, remember, pour it until you like it. No point in keeping something you don't like. Then you'll just hate it. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so this is a few days later. This turned out so neat. I love that gold up at the top. It's so blingy and shiny and sparkly. Very, very cool. Especially against that Paynes Gray edge. That corner. Which I did go over it with Paynes Gray. But this part turned out so cool. Look at that beautiful right there in the center. With all the blue and the white and the gold and the aged bronze. That turquoise. Just gorgeous. Lots of depth. Some beautiful shadows. I love these little cells in here. It's so cute. And this very pretty turquoise edge. Just gorgeous. Nice separation of the lines. Some beautiful depth in here. And I'm really happy that I did re-pour it because I put more white in through the second pour. And that's what you see as that very fine line on the top of each kind of crest or wave. So this one turned out very cool. So these were the rest of my paints left over from my Aquarius pour, which I will link for you guys here. And in honor of that, I'm going to call this one Water Bearer. So that's pretty cool. I like how this one turned out. It's very neat. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check it out on Facebook at Mina Villegas Art, or you could check out my Etsy shop, which will have some new things in it very, very soon. There's also a link in the description box for a PayPal me if you'd like to be a patron of the arts. Thank you so much for all your generous donations. You guys are amazing. I can't tell you how much you mean to me. Your comments are just, I love hearing your comments. Let me know what you think, okay? And I will see you guys for the next one. Have a wonderful day.